Lots of salespeople ask me what they should say to a prospect to close a sale. Do you also think that saying and talking is the most important for selling? Do you believe that seller must be a talker? Yes, my experience says that lots of salespeople believe that talking is the most important thing for selling. If you are one of them, then you must also join the failure club like so many others. You must be wondering that why I am saying so. Yes, my dear friend, the successful salespeople, the champion salespeople are actually very good listeners. They focus on listening rather than saying and talking. They are like the good doctor. What does a doctor do? A doctor listens to the patient thoroughly and only then he prescribes a medicine. Similarly, a salesperson also listens to the prospect thoroughly and only then he gives the offer of his product. Friends, listening is the most important skill for a salesperson. So next time you meet a prospect, make sure that you focus on listening. You have to listen to establish the rapport. Listen to empathize. Listen to understand. For proper listening, you actually must learn the art of listening. Only then you will be able to become a successful sales champion. You listen to learn about the prospect's real needs. You listen to understand what the prospect is saying through his objections. You also listen the words, but more than the words, you listen what is there in between the lines. Because if you are able to do that, only then you will be able to understand that what is actually going on in the prospect's mind, and only then you will be able to close a sale successfully. My dear friends, listening is not easy, but if you commit to practice the listening by asking the proper questions, then you will be able to learn skill of listening gradually. So therefore, you also need to understand and learn the skill of asking the right questions at the right time. Friends, best of luck. Listen and listen and listen and close all the sales which come across to your ways. Become a sales champion. All the best. Thank you very much.